Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix add apps in taskbar not work. To start, click on the Start menu and click on All Apps. Now right-click on the desired application and there select More and then Pin to Taskbar. You can see that app pinned to the taskbar. If it is not possible, in the search box, enter 𝗔𝗟𝗟.msc. Open the item. Here in the section User Configuration, click on Administrative Templates and then go to Start menu in Taskbar. After this, open the policy Do Not Allow Pinning Items in Jump List. You can leave the option active, not configured or disabled. Apply this change. Then open the policy Do Not Allow Pinning Store App to the taskbar. Likewise, you can leave the option Not Configured or Disabled checked. Click on Apply and OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.